Most of you get most of the job offers in the sales domain, but you are not sure. One side, the job is very tempting, salary packages are very, very good, but you also know that job is going to be challenging, and many people say it is a boring job. Now you are in dilemma. What to do? By taking up a job in sales, are you preparing a recipe for disaster of your career? Or you are letting an exciting opportunity to go? Hi everyone, I am Prakash Joshi, and in this video I am going to tell you the realities of the sales job and also going to tell you some exciting opportunities in the space. If you are preparing only for the government job, you may skip this video, rather invest your time in your preparation for competitive exam, but you may still forward this video to your friends who is looking for a job in the private sector. Definitely वो आपको thank you बोलेगा. Before you go into the details of the sales job, let me start with some of the legendary name who made the starting of their career with the sales. The best, most famous, one of the wealthiest person on the globe, 7th rank right now, is Mr. Warren Buffett. Not only his net worth is remarkable, but he is going to donate 99% of his net worth. He is the oldest CEO of a Fortune 500 company. He started his career as a stockbroker and later established himself as one of the most successful investors in the global history. You must be enjoying the coffee of Starbucks, and here Howard Schultz, the legendary CEO of Starbucks, started as a salesperson in Xerox and later a houseware company. Larry Ellison, who was the co-founder of Oracle, he also started his career in Ampex Corporation and Amdel Corporation as a salesperson. And another legendary figure is Mark Cuban. If you watch the Shark Tank, Mark Cuban is a legendary investor today, an entrepreneur, and he started selling software and personal computer. Prince Chexi, co-founder of Airbnb, also started his career in the sales. और ऐसा नहीं है कि Indian name नहीं है. We have the legendary Mr. Narayan Murthy, who started in Patni Computers in sales, and also Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, chairperson of the Biocon, who started as a trainee brewer in Carlton and United Beverage in Australia, later became the founder of Biocon. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the legendary stockbroker known as Warren Buffett of India. This is the picture few months before he passed away. He could not survive the illness. KV Kamath, ex-chairman of ICICI Bank, started as a sales and marketing professional in ICICI and right now heading new development banks also called as BRICS Bank. And Arun Seren, who was India head of the Vodafone, started with sales career in Pacific Telesis Group. And there are many, but do you want more name? Now you are excited and you are convinced that sales can be an exciting career. I am going to tell you more about it. Everyone may not become as legendary, but that is for sure that sales is the best profession which prepares you for a very, very fast career growth. A fast-paced career growth, it gives you very high earning potential. There is no sales job where you don't have high incentives. It gives you continuous skill development. You can't sell unless you know your product, unless you know your customer, unless you understand human psychology. There are challenges, of course, but there are high rewards. Best part of the sales job is there are always jobs, those who can sell. Today, when many people are worried about AI, but salespeople are happy because no bot is going to replace the salespeople. I would say career in sales is not only about making a great career, but it's also about making you a beautiful person. You understand how to deal with humans, and that affects your personal relationship, your family, your friendship. You become better and better. सारी बातें बता दी, लेकिन भाई जॉब मिलेगी कैसे? ये है आपके लिए बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक्साइटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी इन द रिटेल बैंक ब्रांच. द एंट्री लेवल जॉब can take you to say branch manager position depending on how fast you grow in say 5 to 8 years. Two types of vacancies we are talking about. One is field sales, another is the branch based role where you are not traveling in field. So field sales, there are more vacancies of course, and there are higher incentive. in this also there is a inside sales job, and I am talking about the opportunities in various banking and finance companies. We are doing this in partnership with BYGC, and these positions are right now in South India, in the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra. You are interested? Submit your detail in the description below. We will tell you all the details. You have to undergo through a training, and this training will again depends on how fast you pick up. You may get a job in 15 days, or it may take you 3-4 weeks also. There will be online modules and also live sessions, personalized guidance. We prepare you. The final interview will be done by the company, the bank which is hiring. Another opportunity is Policy Bazaar, the largest insurance aggregator in India. 15-year-old company, more than 10,000 people working there, and you have an opportunity starting as a sales consultant completely in office job. आपको फील्ड में ट्रेवल नहीं करना है. यहाँ पर भी you have to go through a test, telephonic interview, and the training, final selection by the company. The best part is from the day one, your salary start. These positions are in Gurgaon. You have to submit your details in the link given in the description. Don't delay. Right now, click in the link given in the description. Because vacancies are limited here also. Private sector में भी unlimited vacancies नहीं है. If these jobs are of your interest, you shall not delay further. और अगर आपको लगता है ये किसी और के काम की हो सकती है, please share this video with them. I can guarantee you they will thank you for providing such an excellent opportunity and making a career in private sector. We are here to make your preparation 50% faster. You have learned anything in the video, please like, share and subscribe. Wish you all the best.